Hello, welcome to day 2 on the concrete base job. If you're new here, just want to welcome you all to the channel of Ginger Dust. Lovely spring morning, very nice. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit them likes. So let's finish this off. Yeah, fail. Yeah.
Put another one next to it. Okay.
$3.20.
We've got to get down then.
Get down. Thanks. Oh man.
I'll tell you, it's not that, it's all the twisting and that. It does me bloody back. Yeah, it's nearly half.
Done that. I've got to rebuild this. Well, not rebuild it, I've got to build it up to get a corner of the day. Oh. Splat. At the height.
Lovely job. How many minutes? Yeah.
Break time. Of course. Take the line back. Course up because I don't know, or top 2 because it might be seen. Nice and simple upside down. It's easy as that. In the splits. Oh, don't rip my trousers. Give it a groan.
You asked Paul to help me tomorrow. Right. No, I'll come, but what does that won't be there. The bloke's gone.
All done. I'm going to show you a nearly finished product, well, building that we built a few months back. Check these out, what we built a few months back. Take a look at the video that I did of us installing these lintels over the top of these storage unit things. Just got the groundwork to do, and we're not doing it, I don't think so anyway, but they've got the groundwork to do around this building. Yeah, check it out. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Press that bell. See you in the next one.